Hello there, folks. Hey, this quick video is going to show you how to install the MQTT modules for Ignition. So if you're not using Ignition or you want to try it out, go to the website inductiveautomation.com and it'll start scrolling through some screens on it. And you're going to go back. You'll find where it says download Ignition. If you click on that, and you're going to download for Windows or whatever you have, but download here, you got to fill out a form and it'll download a pretty good sized program that'll take a little bit to download. Then after you're done downloading, you want to go here and you want to click on other operation systems and versions. And when you click there, we're looking for the MQTT connectors or modules here. So we're going to click on strategic partner modules. And then if you slide down in here, you're going to see the MQTT modules here. So I went ahead and clicked on each of these and downloaded them to my download file. And once you got those downloaded into Ignition, then you're going to open up your local host, sign into your Ignition. You know what I need to do? Make this a floaty window so I can show you the whole thing. Hold on here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to stretch this there. All right, so here I am in Ignition. And if I go over here to the left, go to config on here. Let me log back in on this thing here. Give me a second, team. Okay. Once you do that, on the left, if you click on modules on the top here, click on modules, you'll slide all the way down to the bottom here. And I already did it, but you're going to click this install upgrade module. And then you're going to hit the choose file, and you're going to go to your downloads where you downloaded them. And you'll click on those different files sitting in here and install each of them. After you're done installing those files, go back to modules, and you'll actually see that down below here, your MQTT modules are installed. And now on the left-hand side of Ignition, you'll have all your settings for your different MQTT connections. Just a quick video for this process because I could not find on their website where to get the modules. So they are, again, just to recap, you'll click on the other main page here on their website. Oh, now it doesn't go back. But anyway, it's under strategic partner modules. Anyway, just thought I'd make a quick video of that. Thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day.